Clicking noises on a bike can be caused by several issues, including loose cleats in bike shoes, loose and clogged pedals, or damaged flywheel bearings. To address these problems, several solutions can be applied. Tightening the cleats in bike shoes is a good starting point. This involves removing the shoes from the pedals and tightening the nuts that secure the cleats, ensuring they are tightened uniformly for correct alignment. Additionally, tightening and cleaning the pedals can resolve the issue. Fastening the pedal nuts and cleaning the pedals with a cloth to remove dirt and debris can be effective. Applying grease to the pedals and spinning them to distribute the grease evenly can also help. In cases where the flywheel bearings are damaged, replacement is necessary. This involves unplugging the bike from its power source, removing the flywheel cover, and inspecting the bearings for wear. If the bearings are worn out, new ones must be obtained and installed by an expert. By taking these steps, the clicking noises on a bike can be resolved, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable ride.